Hi beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am really having so much fun bringing you guys like all of the hair color, hair extension transformations. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my client Bethany's hair. So when she started with me, we were first initially doing like sew-ins, and now we've gotten to doing tape and hair extensions. In this video of Bethany's hair, I am using HOTHEADS hair extensions. I'm using 22 to 24 inch length, and I'm using the colors number 613, which is kind of like a warm bright blonde. Then I'm using color 60A, which is an ashy bright blonde. Then I'm also going to use a kind of like combo hair color that is called 1825-613. So that's a combination of the colors that HOTHEADS offers all in one pack. So this specific pack of hair is like a blend of colors. So first I start with removing all of Bethany's old tapes. She got these done somewhere else, and we're just going to try HOTHEADS hair this time. We love the quality of it. It's 22 to 24 inch length, which is super long, and we're just going for like a really like platinum blonde bombshell look. I unpacked all of the tapes, got them ready. Then I start Bethany's highlight. So I do a money piece in the front. I just do a bunch of baby lights. Her hair is already so blonde, so I'm not really worried about pulling blonde through her ends. I just want to keep the integrity of her hair completely safe. In between each foil, I'm actually kind of melting down Redken Shades EQ, and the color that I'm using is 6NA8N on her root. So I'm going to actually melt down that color because I want to kind of alter her base a little bit and give it more dimension. She's naturally really light, so sometimes when you're going so blonde you can lose kind of like a lot of that dimension that you have. So as I'm going through highlighting everything, I'm going in between the foils applying that color. I didn't get a chance to show you guys the rinsing part, so I'm really sorry about that, or the toning, but I did tone her hair with 10GI, 10T, 9V, and 9GI. So those are all level 10-9 blondes in Redken Shades EQ. So I only leave it on for like a minute or two. I really just watch it, and then once it looks really blonde, I just rinse it off. So then after that, I'm going to go through, I start applying her tape and extensions in the back nape area. I work my way all the way up, and I work in a bricklayer pattern because I'm making sure I'm filling in all of the holes in her hair and creating a new weight line because we're adding so much more length. So I work my way up in a bricklayer pattern. It's always good to have some sort of pattern that you're following because otherwise you can get lost with tapes and you can just place them in random spots, and then there's a watertight seal that's created. So your client does have to wait 24 to 48 hours before washing their hair, but then after that they can wash their hair and the tapes should never fall out. If they do, it's probably compromised by heat. Maybe they're pulling too hard. Maybe there wasn't enough hair attached. There could be other reasons. I complete the look by cutting her hair, blending it. I love to use a feather razor, a brand new one, of course, or my dry cutting shears by Hattori Hanzo. Those are the best for sure. And I always think extensions need like a little bit of detailing, maybe not a full-on cut, but it just depends on the client's preference. So as you can see, her hair is just amazing. It's so long, really, really blonde. Enhance that money piece. Like I always do a lot of foils in the front, back to back, to make sure that that pops a lot for my clients. She will be back in 6 to 8 weeks for that touch up, and then these tapes will last her about 3 to 4 uses. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll be bringing way more YouTube videos on how I transform my clients behind the chair. It's really cool to take you guys like behind the scenes and show you how I do clients' hair, what it takes, how long it takes, the products I use. That way you guys can recreate the same exact looks.